So, servants of Allah, make dua. And the next expressions that followed, Ibn al-Qayyim said, from the most beneficial things about cure is al-ilhahu fi dua. The first one say make dua ko. Alaykum ibadallah bi dua. Dua ko. This one says make ilhah. Repeat your dua and insist on making the dua. Repeat the dua. Don't stop the dua. Make the dua. Make the dua. Make the dua. Make ilhah while making dua. Ilhah, you repeat the dua and you insist while making the dua. Sometimes people make dua like I just said. You hear some of the women, especially it's common amongst women. We shall make dua. I shall make dua, sha. I shall make dua, sha. Especially young people now. You hear them say, I have shall made dua. I have shall made dua. My friend, make this dua properly. Alaykum ibadallah bi dua. Make this dua. Be insistent. Repeat. Show your need in your dua. Allah help me. Help me, Allah. Allah help me. Allah help me. Ask him earnestly and insistently. You will get an answer from him subhanahu wa ta'ala. He said, I thought that when she is in her house, she can make dua without hijab. Yes, you can make dua without hijab. But dua with hijab is stronger than dua without hijab. You can make dua without wudu. Dua with wudu is stronger than dua without wudu. You can make dua without facing the Qibla. Dua with Qibla is stronger than dua without Qibla. You can make dua without being at Arafah. But dua at Arafah is stronger than dua outside Arafah. You can make dua outside Tawaf. Dua in Tawaf is stronger than dua outside Tawaf. I hope that it is clear. So if you want to be remaining like I can't make dua, I can make it like that. It will give the strength of your dua. But if you want your dua to be strong, very strong dua, follow all the adabs of dua. Follow all the etiquettes. The more you follow the etiquettes, the more you gain strength for your dua. It is not that it is not permissible. Yes, it is permissible. But the one who did will get more. He gets more strength. Because he has taken care of more things than you. I hope that it is clear. This is a wake-up call. Stand up. Make dua. Make wudu. Sit down properly. Be active-minded. Be conscious-minded. It is not just when you are holding the phone, you are making dua. No problem. If you hold your phone, you make dua, Allah will accept your dua. But when you drop the phone and raise the two hands, how is that? So it is not that I heard that. No, leave that, you heard that aside. Yes, what you have heard is correct. But you can't compare what you have heard to this reality that the strength of your dua will be affected. Stand up from that old practice to a new one now that is more beneficial for you, more effective, more potent. This is what we are discussing here. It's a wake-up call from these kinds of readings. Stand up. So woman, stand up, and I think that I can make dua without my hijab. Stand up and make a stronger dua. Oh, I think that I can make dua without wudu. Stand up and make dua, make wudu. Oh, I think that I can just be lying down on my bed. Stand up, make wudu, sit down properly, face the Qibla, raise your hands, make dua. Oh, I think that I can be making dua even if I'm touching my phone. Stand up, drop the phone and make the dua. He wants us to move ahead from that, like I call it, brother, when we make tawaf, to strength of mind. I hope that it is clear.